Hey there, it's Noah from Hey On Made. I'm excited to introduce you to a Notion Second Brain template, inspired from the productivity expert Tiago Forte's Para method. This template is designed to help you seamlessly organize your ideas, work, and life. I'll show you the setup process and demonstrate how to make the most out of this template. But before we dive in, you can grab a copy of this template in the video description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. To get started, navigate to the Areas section and begin by listing the key areas of life you want to prioritize. These could be your business, health, and personal growth. Now, over on the opposite side, go ahead and click Add a Group to link your focus areas and goals. Now add your goals under your focus areas. This will keep you aligned with what you're trying to accomplish while working on your projects later on. With that, you're all set to start using the Second Brain template. Now, when a task or project suddenly pops into your head, there's no need to stress about immediately planning them out. You can simply drop them into your inbox over here and handle the details and deadlines when you're ready. When you switch the status from Inbox to In Progress, your items will be shifted to the Ongoing Agendas, right next to your inbox. This column is your hub for keeping track on all your ongoing, upcoming tasks and projects. Now moving below, you'll find a dedicated section for managing your ongoing and upcoming tasks. Over here, you can see all your tasks and adjust them whenever you need. And as you scroll further down, you'll see the Ongoing Projects section. Here is where you get to break down those big projects into manageable subtasks. For instance, I'm coming up with a website for my business. I can slice this project into subtasks like research, wireframing, Figma prototype, and so on. You can also set dateline and update status for each subtasks within the project. It's like having a clear, step-by-step roadmap to guide you through completing your project with ease. And once you've conquered a project, you've got options to mark it as completed to keep it within sight, or add it into the archive when you don't need to refer to it anymore. Now, let's explore the Resource section. Here, adding resources you'd like to revisit, such as articles, videos, or links, is a breeze. Simply create a category, give it a name, tweak the position, and add bookmarks to your category, organizing them into relevant categories. You can even pin them for easy access in the future. The same thing goes for your notes library down below. Add a category, add your notes inside, and pin them if you're going to follow up later. Voila! You're now the master of your ideas, work, and life. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more Notion goodies and productivity tools. See you later!